Whoa, look at that flavor. All that juice. That's a jerk spicy shrimp right there, guys. Whoa. Yes, sir. That's how they like it. So my mom was a chef, and back home in Jamaica, I grew up watching her cook, and the passion that she takes making the meal for us, I sort of gravitate to that, and I said, man, I want to be a chef. So this here is my festival dough, which I'd make from scratch. I can't tell y'all what I put in it, but trust me, the people that love it. Fishing festival, Atkins Sawfish Festival, fried dumpling, Atkins Sawfish, you name it. But I made the dough from scratch.